Blue whales, giant mammals. Introduction. Far out at sea, scientists scan the horizon. They are looking for the largest creature on Earth. You would think that finding an enormous animal would be easy, but ocean are vast and wild and wide. Suddenly, a thunderous roar sounds as the blast of water shoots high into the air. The scientists have found what they were looking for: the mighty, magnificent blue whale. A blue whale's size is impressive. It can weigh as much as 200 tons and can be as long as approximately 100 feet. Its tongue alone weighs as much as an elephant. Its heart is so large that a person can crawl through its main blood vessel. The blue whale has a mammoth body. Its skin actually looks like blue underwater, but from above it looks blue-gray. The underside of blue whales sometimes appear to be pale yellow thanks to tiny organisms called diatoms and that that often hitch right on the whale's skin. Blowholes and blubber. Whales live in the sea, but they are not fish. These graceful giants are the world's largest mammal. Blue whales have lungs and breathe air just like humans. They inhale and ex- exhale exhale through two blowholes on top their heads. In order to breathe, a whale must come to the ocean's surface. The blowholes open and the whale expels air. Sudden water spouts up to 30 feet into the sky. Then the whale quickly inhales, filling its massive lungs. All of this happens in under 2 seconds. A whale breathes in and out several times at the surface before Beginning a dive, it uses its flexible spine and wide tail flukes to navigate through the water. Flukes are made up of tissue, not bone. They are flexible. Blue whale leaves circles called footprints on the water surface when they dive. These whales usually cruise along at 5 miles per hour, but they can travel as fast as 10 miles per hour. Blue whale can stay underwater for about 30 minutes. They are considered shallow divers because they rarely go deeper than 700 feet. In contrast, sperm whales dive about 3,280 feet, more than 4 times deeper. Ocean water can be frigid at such depths, but that's not a problem for blue whales. Like all sea mammals, blue whales have a layer of fat called blubber just beneath their skin. The blubber insulates them from the deep water's chilly temperatures. A whole lot of little. When blue whales dive, they're searching for their favorite food: krill. Krill are tiny shrimp-like creatures that live in large groups. Of krill can be found near the water surface as well as at ocean depths greater than 6,000 feet. It may seem strange, the largest animal in the world feeds on one of the smallest. Blue whales are gargantuan, but their throats are actually very narrow. Their esophagus is only inches wide, so they cannot swallow anything large. Blue whales also have no teeth for chewing; they must swallow their food whole. Instead of teeth, blue whales have plates of baleen baleen on their upper jaws. Baleen is made of keratin, the same material of our hair and fingernails. Baleen plates are like a mustache, growing inside of whale's mouth. Baleen works like a filter. A blue whale opens mouth and takes gulp of seawater full swimming krill. The whale throat expands to hold thousands of gallons of seawater. Then the whale closes its mouth and uses its tongue to push seawater through a baleen and back out into the sea. Because crew cannot pass through the baleen, they stay trapped inside a whale mouth and are swallowed whole. A blue whale eats about 40 million krill each day, from sea to shining sea. Blue whale can be found gliding through the depths of every ocean on our planet. They travel alone or in pairs, going wherever krill live during the summer months. Blue whales feed in polar water, but when winter comes, both the krill and whale migrate toward the equator. A favorite gathering spot for many blue whale is the Costa Rica Dome of the southern coast of Central America. Those big baby blues Female blue whales give birth when they are in warmer water. Their gestation period lasts approximately 10 to 12 months. A female a female whale gives birth every 2 or 3 years. Baby whales, baby blue whales called calves weigh more than 5,000 pounds. When they are born within minutes of birth, a calf swims to the surface with its mother for air. The calf and its mother have strong bond. They remain together to have many months while capturing milk and gain over 200 pounds a day. After about a year, it leaves its mother and becomes independent. Song of the sea: Blue whales are not the largest animal in the world. They are also the loudest. These whales can produce sounds louder than a jet engine. Whale songs can travel for miles through the water. Even though whale sounds are loud, they're impossible for people to hear without special equipment. Some scientists think whales use sonar to help them find their way through dark ocean water, much of way that navigate. The scientists think whales seem to communicate with each other. Scientists do know that only the male whales sing. They have also discovered that whales in different parts of the world sing slightly different songs. Conclusion: Whale songs are just one of the behavior of blue whales that scientists hope to better understand. Much is still unknown about the habits of this enormous creature. In the early to mid-20th century, so many blue whales are hunted that they were nearly driven to extinction. The numbers have only slightly recovered since then. As an endangered species, blue whales are protected by international whaling commissions. Despite these efforts, it is estimated that only 10 to 35,000 of these magnificent, magnificent creatures survive today. Scientists continue their research, hoping to acquire, acquire new knowledge about these gentle giants to ensure their survival for many generations to come.